I'll just start by saying, there are a lot of push-based ad mechanisms, right? So users get pushed, so if you want to reach out to users today, you have obviously banner ads online, you have SMSs, emails, and so on and so forth. I think our whole idea is how can we provide a pull-based mechanism to the user? How can we bring the Google experience, which is online, to the offline world? So for example, let's say if you wanted to buy a Samsung TV, could we make it possible for you that you just type in Samsung TV on a mobile phone, and then all you do is we'll tell you all the locations where Samsung TV is available, along with various offers and new arrivals. So the whole idea is that the users pull the information rather than you pushing to them. So that is what Delight Circle is all about. So what is Delight Circle and how do we do that? So Delight Circle is a smartphone-based app. We also have a website, and we also have an SMS-based app that allows consumers to engage with their favorite brands and retailers, check out offers, right, or even search for the offers like I was mentioning to you, and any new product arrival, discover what is nearby, places to eat and shop, and get rewarded for simply walking into the stores or checking out cool products. So our whole philosophy, as I was saying, is we don't believe in push-based marketing, or at least that's what we are trying to do, and we enable pull and intent-based marketing based on geofencing and interest graph of the consumer. And very quickly, I'll show you how we do that. So today, we have tied up with many brands in the country. We have offers, new arrivals, and we aggregate all the loyalty cards from 200 plus brands and 10,000 plus stores in the country. So what is our value proposition to retailers and brands? Create your community of shoppers and brand advocates. Again, people who have showed an intention in you. It's not people whom you pushed out messages to and therefore they showed an intention. It's people's own intent. So second, we allow in-store marketing because we're able to identify when the consumer has walked into the store. We can enable in-store marketing. And if you think about it, when a consumer goes into the store, that is the best time to market to the consumer, right? So that's what we do. Then we allow the brand to reach out to the consumer with the right offer at the right place and at the right time. So what all we have? We have a free consumer mobile app. I'll give you a demo of that very soon. We also are building an ad network where we have built an inventory of advertisers and developed APIs, and we recently exposed that API to one of the partners to allow publishers to access our inventory of advertisements. Then we have a complete merchant interface. So this is a full-fledged CRM software that merchants can access. And essentially, it allows retailers to segment their consumer base, create relevant offers. So for example, if they want to target only a consumer base based on age or based on demographics, based on locations, based on their various interests, they can actually do that. And then in-store marketing, I'll explain that further to you in a moment. So let's just go to the demo. So can you switch on the video? So this is the app. It's a free app to the consumer. You can download it for Android, iPhone, or BlackBerry. It automatically picks up your location. Now, once you go to nearby, so based on you are able to see not just various stores around you, but also various new arrivals and offers which are there. So if you just scroll up the list again, so these are various stores that we have. And now let's say if you click on Reliance Digital, this is Reliance Digital's wall. And what you see here, so I'll just explain you this concept of walk-in a second. So what you see here in the wall is essentially it tells you, it's like a mobile page of Reliance Digital, right? So it gives an instant mobile presence to any retailer or brand in the country. So here you can see that there are various offers that Reliance Digital has. There's some new arrivals that they're promoting. And what you see there is walk in and earn 60 points. What we do is we install an ultrasound device at each of these various stores. So all Reliance Digital stores in the country, actually, sorry, in Bangalore and Mumbai, Hypercity, Max, and so on and so forth, actually have our devices now. So when you walk in, we actually identify that you have really walked in. Compare this to just checking in, let's say, through Foursquare, where I can sit here and check in into Reliance Digital nearby. You can't do that anymore. So once you do that, the benefit to the user is obviously is getting rewarded, but the benefit to the retailer is in real time that retailer actually knows that this person has walked in, and at that point, the retailer can actually interact with the consumer. So if you just move forward. Now what I'll do is I'll just show you, so we have also mapped the phone numbers. We also have the map of that particular place if you want to reach out to that particular place. Now if you click think so if you click on the offers, now you will be able to see various offers that Reliance Digital is promoting right now. One thing that we do is we aggregate the entire offers inventory that Reliance has today. So in the sense from a user's perspective, you don't need to go anywhere else. If you want to find anything that's going on in Reliance Digital, you'll find it here. So you can see the details of the offer, for example, there, all the terms and conditions. Again, this information is fed by Reliance Digital, right? To redeem the offer, you have to show it to the cashier. There could be a promo code. There are various mechanisms for redeeming this particular thing. And now when you click on new arrivals, these are the new arrivals that Reliance wants to promote. Now one of the concepts we have is, so for example, if a particular brand wants that, if a person goes to Reliance Digital, that particular person should go and check out a particular product. So we incentivize the user that, okay, go and check out Samsung Galaxy TV, Samsung LED TV, and you'll get 200 points. These points, as I'll show you later, these can actually be redeemed on the mobile phone itself. So another cool feature, this is where it becomes more Google-like, is let's say I wanted to buy watches, right? Or jeans here, okay. So let's say if I wanted to buy jeans, I'll show you all the stores which are selling jeans along with various offers and new arrivals around you. So if you keep scrolling down, okay, so we just clicked on that particular store. So here you'll see favorite shop. We took you to that shop, what the offer is. So you can see that right there. So let's say now this is obviously all location based. Let's say, you wanted to follow certain brands, 24/7. So we have a concept known as favorites. So if you favorite a particular brand, here you'll be able to see all the information 24/7, right? So you can, in a very nice visual interface, you can see, what's going on in Hypercity, for example, Shopper Stop, or Total Superstore, and so on. And again, then when you click, it takes you to Hypercity's page. There's something which I showed you earlier as well. Now, another feature that we have, as I was telling you, we also aggregate all the loyalty cards. So if you go to cards here, you can store all your cards, right? So these are various cards that can be stored. If you stored Levi's, for example, you can type in the number, will generate a barcode, and then this particular card can be scanned at the store. So that's how it works out. And then finally, rewards. This is the points that I was talking about, that the points that you accumulate, you can actually redeem it right on the mobile phone, right? So this is something which is very different from any other loyalty program where you don't even know how many points you're accumulating. Forget knowing how to actually redeem them, right? So now, so this is what the consumer sees on a smartphone. Now I'll quickly show you, what the merchant would see. So this is the dashboard that Reliance Digital, for example, would see. They can see all the metrics very clearly. They can actually create offers and so on, right? They can also see various consumer activities. So here you can, this is how they create all the offers, right? So they can assign it to various locations, right? And the beauty is, Reliance Digital sitting in their central office can actually control, in different stores, they can have different offers. So for example, if there's a new store opening, they can actually promote that, and automatically we will geofence that store. And if anyone is there within 1.5 kilometer radius, we'll actually show them that particular offer. So this is the merchant interface. And so here are all the further details about the offer and so on. So here you can see various consumers who are following Reliance Digital. You can see various segments on the left-hand side, how we can segment those consumers. So essentially what we are giving to all these retailers, and practically, it's a complete CRM more or less, right? Complete cloud-based CRM, and it's completely based on object-oriented technology, so it's pretty fast. Now finally, we have also enabled the same thing on SMS as well. So what you can do on SMS is, let's say you wanted to search for Samsung offers around you, just type in add delight to this particular number, 92431, 92431, and immediately or within few seconds, you'll actually see all the various offers about Samsung, right, around you. And this, similarly, you could type it Reliance Digital, you could type in restaurants, for example, or food offers, and we'll show you that. So that's essentially what we do. That's basically it.